Are you guys nervous?
Okay, right here.
I like Nick interviewing us.
Did someone tell you to pick up the block you have in film? Nick?
Oh my god, Nick! Look, Nick, just always trying to sneak in his cameo. Can't wait to decorate.
There's so much we can make.
How will it turn out? OMG,
we're having a baby? Push, push. Oh my gosh.
Welcome back, guys.
Guys, it is a big day.
I know, and another episode of OMG, we're having a baby.
This is like very exciting today. We are doing the gender reveal.
I'm so excited for this. We debated, well, we actually didn't really debate on whether or not to know. We were always like,
we wanted
should
to know, yeah.
And what's cool is you can now find out at 10 weeks with a blood test, which is obviously very like high tech.
But
we don't know. My sister is the only one who knows that info.
We told the doctor very specifically, we don't want to know the gender, but tell Tess. So she is the keeper of that secret.
Hey guys, Tess here, Kate's sister, the gremlin, also known sometimes. So Kate has been, it's so weird to say that Kate's been pregnant for about 11 weeks now. She was on set filming an OMG episode, and she called me from the bathroom of the set being like, oh my god, the test came back and everything looks so great, but you have to call the doctor right now because they close in 5 minutes. And so I was like, oh my god, okay, no time to freak out and be excited. So I called the doctor right away, and then I'm in the closet at my house because Palmer's there and I can't tell him that I know. So I'm in the closet and he's like, what the hell are you doing in the closet? So everyone's in the closet. Anyway, regardless, they told me what it was and now I know.
And we have a cute gender reveal plan for you guys. Well, Joey and I were like, we should do something with paint because it'll be funny and very on brand. But my sister went and bought the supplies and the color and everything, so she's like orchestrating this
And literally,
event.
no one knows.
No one knows except Tess.
Yeah, so we're doing this video a day after we shot our announcement video.
Yeah.
So that hasn't come out yet, so none of our crew knows.
Like we basically talked to the camera and told you guys and told our family, but all of our crew members don't know, so we're also gonna tell them today because we thought that could be fun to also vlog that for you guys because it's our crew who shoots all of our videos. You guys obviously don't really see them that often because they're behind the camera, but they're like part of our family because we see them almost every week to shoot videos, so it'll be fun.
I think they're gonna be like,
cool.
Well, before we do, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. This is our OMG, we're having a baby series. Obviously, we're still doing all of our other OMG, we're coming over, Mr. Kate Decorates.
All of our interior design content we'll still keep bringing you. Yeah, don't worry. This is just a bonus. These are bonus videos for you guys.
Keep those positive vibes coming. And
thank you so much for all your lovely, amazing comments and love and support on our announcement video. Like, literally makes us feel so good. And just, we're so lucky to have you guys. So thank you.
Let's find out if it's a boy or a girl.
Yeah! Hey everyone, before we get to the gender reveal, we want to quickly tell you about our sponsor, Amazon. You can get everything you need to turn your house into a smart home on Amazon.com and control it all with your voice, which will be super helpful because we will have our hands full with a baby.
Yeah, and one of my favorite devices is the Alexa Show. It's got this really cool screen. You can use the drop-in feature with other devices. You can watch your cameras. So when we have a nursery, I can watch the baby.
Aww.
Or for now, I can watch Winston. Alexa, show me the living room.
Okay.
Winston!
What's he doing?
Stop it! He's chewing that bag.
He always chews bags. Alexa, turn the bedroom lights on.
Okay.
I personally like anything that lets me stay wedged in my pregnancy pillow because it is hard to get out of once I'm in. So I really like these Sanglid smart light bulbs. And the Ring doorbell is very cool too. Hello?
Hey, you locked me out. Can you come open the door?
Joey, use the smart lock on the front door.
Oh, yeah, right.
All the smart home items are super easy to get going with. All you gotta do is plug them in, download the app for that item, add the skill in your Alexa app, and you're good to add your device.
Cool.
Alexa, turn on the Christmas tree.
Okay.
We have our own homepage over on Amazon where we list all of our favorite items from smart home devices to interior design stuff that we use all the time. So you can go check that out over at amazon.com/shop/mrkate. So go check it out if you want to make your home smarter or prettier or get a smart home device for one of your friends or loved ones because it's the future, people.
Alexa, are we having a boy or a girl?
I'm not sure.
Joey, what are you doing?
Getting suited up in my spacesuit.
Dad, look where the crotch is. It's on my ankles.
Should we tell me on it right now?
I mean, at this point, I feel like it might be necessary.
OMG, we're having a baby.
Yeah. Congratulations.
We're doing our gender reveal today.
Are you really? Oh my goodness.
Oh no, I'm gonna start crying already.
What do you think we're doing?
It looks like we're going painting.
Are you gonna paint?
Sure.
Ben, what do you think we're doing?
Oh, we're definitely cooking today.
Cooking?
Cooking.
Obviously, you guys are starting a beehive back here.
What do you think we're doing?
Spray paint.
Spray paint.
I'm going with you're gonna do some Jackson Pollock type splatter painting.
I'm telling them like this. OMG, we're having a baby.
What?
Whoa!
This isn't
And
a
then
joke,
we're gonna.
right? This is for real, right? This is not
No, I'm too old to prank you.
I'm like in disbelief.
Oh my god! That's so great.
Marco, you're gonna be an uncle.
All right, what are we doing?
Oh. So we got paint that is the color of the gender, and we're doing pink and blue. And they're gonna have their eyes closed. I'm gonna put the paintbrush in the paint can and give it to them, and they're gonna paint each other, and then open their eyes and see what color it is. And then we're gonna go, ah, and then I won't be the only one that knows anymore.
Tess chose the colors, so no comments
She
about.
went very stereotypical, I know, with the colors, which is fine.
You know, maybe if we chose the colors, the boy would have been like green and the girl would have been like neon orange.
Okay, well, we only have one fetus, so it's gonna only be one color.
No, I'm just saying. Tess picked blue for boy and pink for girl.
Okay, should we place our bets? Oh, we didn't. Did you ask the guys?
Kupo.
Okay, Joey can't talk.
All right,
We're
Nick, what do you
so
think it is?
nervous.
Girl. Come on, girl.
Okay.
Marco. Boy.
I think it's a girl.
Oh, okay. What do you think?
Don't you feel me with that one so close? We gotta keep these angles flattering.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Well, here's the thing. I had been accidentally calling it a boy, and
Okay, so Joey, when Joey and I were first together, which we've been together for almost 11 years, I already had my cats, Roxanne and Winston, and he called Roxanne, the girl cat, a he for like the first 2 years he knew her.
but that maybe just because of society making.
Joey thinking all furry things are.
Well, no, it's whatever.
Okay, but yes, so you've been saying he. I was split, and then this last week I've been kind of feeling like it might be a boy.
I mean, but I really want a girl too, so.
Well, no, I'm so excited for either. I'm like split. Like,
I grew up with like. Well, I guess I had a brother and sister. So I was gonna say, for some reason I feel like I grew up with a lot of boys, but I had a sister.
Joey had a mom and a sister and a brother and a dad. It was pretty even. No.
So I'm fine with you.
I grew up with obviously my sister, and it's like the best relationship ever. I love her so much. So I mean, having a little girl or even having two girls, whatever, it would be amazing.
Are we having 2 kids?
No, whatever. We're starting with one. I don't know.
I'm so excited for this journey.
This is
with
so
you.
crazy. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry. You're
I'm
gonna open. It's gonna make your eyes open.
Why did I put on false
Close
lashes
them,
today?
close them.
They're so close.
Okay, you guys put your hands out.
Oh God.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Keep your eyes closed.
Joey, I'm shaking. You can't see because I'm covered in lots of plastic. But I'm so excited. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous because like there's no wrong answer. But
No.
it's just so crazy. Like it's just been a lot.
It's been a journey.
So like I just am ready for the universe to dole out the gender.
This is fun because we never get to be surprised. We always surprise other people.
That's true. We always count to 3 and let other people open their eyes. This is gonna be our turn. I'm also like
I
out
already
of
got my eyes
breath.
closed.
No, I'm out of breath. I'm very nervous.
It's a symptom to be short of breath.
And short.
I feel like I'm gonna faint.
Do you have yours yet?
Okay, I have my paintbrush, but don't paint my face,
All right,
please.
where's your face? Hang on, let me touch.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Oh my God! Don't look! I need more paint! I need more paint!
Oh, it's dripping on my
I need
foot.
more paint! I need more
No,
paint!
you don't. Here, I'm getting you more paint.
I need more paint!
Put it up a little higher.
Where's your paint? Don't look!
Yes, okay. Ow.
Sorry.
My boobs are sore. Don't hit them too hard.
Okay, oh my God, I can't believe it.
Wait, can we both still? Okay, wait, stop.
Ooh.
Okay, can we open up? Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. I feel a boy. Oh my God, I have a penis inside of me right now, growing. I knew it.
Wow.
I knew it. I had his little energy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Tess, what am I gonna do with a boy?
Holy.
I don't know how to do this. Don't hug me. Oh my God. Don't hug me, Joey. Don't you hug me. I'm wearing white.
I don't know why I thought it was gonna be a girl.
Even though you've been calling it a heat all the time.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's crazy. No, I'm so excited. This is like gonna be
a
such
completely
an
new experience for
adventure.
you. Yeah. That boy's gonna get a lot of like cuddles. You better be like a cuddly boy.
Joey, you're like the cutest, cuddliest boy, of course.
Okay. I'm making rules.
It's all in what you nurture.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's like gonna be like world expanding for me. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Like it's just, I think it's like what the universe has decided. I'm very excited.
I'm already overwhelmed.
Like,
You are gonna be such a good mom.
oh my God. I hope so. I don't know yet. I might suck, you guys.
No, you're gonna be. You have been so amazing leading up to this
Thank
point.
you.
You work so hard.
You do.
You're the most loving person in the world. Like the boy's gonna have. He's gonna have the nicest family ever.
Yeah.
And the happiest family ever.
Yeah. I don't have any boy names picked out.
Winston!
Winston the second!
Named after our cat.
God.
Oh my gosh, a boy.
A boy. Joey, obviously, it's so crazy.
I'm
There's
so
many
excited.
thoughts to process, and like, I'm so excited. I mean, it's gonna be a little boy, but like, I think I'm gonna get some glitter boots for him. Like, I plan on not being gender specific stereotypy, you know? Like, I don't know how we're gonna do the nursery yet, like decorating wise, but I don't wanna do like trucks everywhere.
I can't wait till he's old enough to help us on projects.
Oh my gosh, we should get him a little tool belt.
Yeah.
A little tool belt with little plastic tools. And make him think that he's helping us.
I am so excited. I
I'm
could not
so
be more excited.
I literally, like, it's such a shock, you guys. Like, I have so much daydreaming now to do. Like, now that I know what sex it is, like, I can, like, start picturing his identity a little bit more, even though, obviously, gender does not define your identity. But, I don't know. It's just, like, a cool detail.
It's so exciting. Yeah, we would have been fine with either, but I'm so excited.
I hope he's
you're gonna
as
be-
sweet as you are.
I hope he's sweeter than me.
You're sweet. Joey's really sweet.
Only
Maybe
on
he
the
doesn't always
surface.
come across as sweet, but he's actually way sweeter than me.
No.
When the cameras turn off, we switch places.
No. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. I love you.
We have a little boy.
Oh boy. Oh my god.
Guys, we're gonna take
so
you on
weird.
a journey. We're gonna take you on a journey, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
Come on the journey, Mr. Baby's baking in his oven. And yeah, we just love you guys so much. Leave us a kind comment. We love you, love you, love you. Subscribe.
Keep those positive vibes coming,
We
please.
cannot get enough of your positive vibes. We appreciate you so much. And yeah, follow us on social media because obviously I'm Insta-storying a lot about this process too. So if you want to know more behind the scenes and see like bump updates and all that stuff. but also interior design stuff too. Don't worry. It's not all baby stuff. Follow us on social media. And yeah, we love you so much. Stay creative, stay weird, stay you, because why not? We love you. Bye.
Bye.
I've been telling Kate and Joey that they need to have kids. Their fans have been telling them they need to have kids, so she finally listened to us. I'm so excited to be the real mother to this child because we all know that I will also be raising it. I can't wait to see what it is, meet it, name it, because I'll be naming it, and all the above. So